Hey guys, so I know it's been a really long time, but I'm going to be doing a video today on the Garnier Olia permanent hair colour in the colour Metallic Silver, which is in the, they've given it the number 9.11. So let's just go ahead and get this on. So the first step is to put the developer and the colourant cream into the bottle they've provided. And then just shake vigorously. So I'm just going to do it how I always do it, which is to start at the parting and then just go layer by layer. As you can see, my hair is pretty much all the same colour at the moment, like all completely like bleach blonde, and it's lifted to like a pretty high level. So hopefully this colour will work the way it's meant to. So part of the reason why I wanted to do this video now, like after so long, is because I'm about, last time I checked today, I was 10 subscribers away from hitting 1,000 subscribers. So I thought, you know, in honour of that, I would do another silver hair video, because I think my most popular video, I guess, was another silver hair tutorial where I used like the Schwarzkopf, I think that was also called Metallic Silver, like this one. And oh my god, you can already see it sort of like going a bit bluey purple. God. So that was like my most popular video. So I thought, you know, I'll do another silver box dye. What can go wrong? So you see it, just going layer by layer. Just gonna make sure I've got a good covering on the root. Like, I can't believe that I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers still, because I haven't been active on this account for, it feels like a year and a half maybe, which is insane. I've missed it so much, but it's just because of you know, life stuff, jobs. I don't know how people do it, like have like a full-time job and a successful YouTube channel, like, or an active YouTube channel. I just think that's like, where do you get the time and energy? Because when I was doing YouTube like regularly, I wasn't working. I was looking for a job. Like, I mean, if there is anyone that was watching my videos like back then, I did like an interview, get ready with me videos, so you probably would have guessed I wasn't working. I was loving making videos like every week. Like, I think I was managing more or less to do like 2 videos a week, or at least 1. And it's just the best, because like video editing is like what I love to do, so, and that's not exactly what my job's about right now. But honestly guys, I'm one of those people who I'd be happy like not having a full-time job. Some people like seem to really like to be employed for like a sense of purpose, but I'm not one of them. I'd be happy like not working. But anyway, getting kind of off topic. I don't know if there is anyone there who is maybe a bit curious as to why I've been off for so long. It's literally just that, just work. I can't do the sort of videos to the quality I want to and have that job. This is looking really purple. Oh my gosh guys, so this stuff is so purple. It's looking so purple. But anyway, I finished the first bottle, so I've just mixed together the next one to do the lengths of my hair. I find that with most box dyes that one box just does like the roots of your hair. So I'd like advise anyone that has hair longer than like, I don't know, your like jawline to get 2 boxes of hair dye, because it's just not enough. So as I was mentioning about my other hair dyeing video for Schwarzkopf, the silver hair dye on one, I just found it funny because I think that day I was just so determined like to actually, for it to work. I was really excited about using that silver hair dye. It was the first time that I'd actually seen like that kind of a box silver hair dye, do you know what I mean? That was like just a cream sort of dye, like sort of directions or something like that. So I was so excited to use it. And just the fact that, I mean, if you haven't seen the video, I wouldn't advise it. But if you do, like it did go kind of like a bluey greeny kind of silver. It like looked alright in the pictures I took of it, but on camera and in real life, it wasn't what I was hoping for. But this one seems really different. It seems like it's gonna be a lot more on the sort of purple silver side, which I definitely prefer. So yeah, I have looked back at some of my past videos and it's just, I know it's normal like to look back at videos of yourself that you've made and find them kind of cringy, but I just, oh my god, I was just finding it so cringy. You know, I just didn't feel like I was really being myself. I don't know, I just feel like I was coming across as like trying way too hard. And yeah, that's never a good look. But it's a really good feeling that, you know, people are still subscribing. It's just amazing to me. Like when I look back at my videos, I just don't really, I'm just not really feeling them anymore. I guess what I'm trying to say is that I really want to start making videos again, but it has to be like videos I'm into, that I actually am interested in. And if you don't really enjoy your own videos, then what's the point? This video, on the other hand, I am really excited about because honestly, I've had my eye on this Olia Silver hair dye for a while now, but and I was searching for videos of other people using it, and I couldn't find a single one. Like, so I was like, right, this is for you, Ellie. Take one for the team. So I hope this is useful for some of you guys who want to try this hair dye. So yeah, no complaints so far. It's looking really nice. So I haven't really talked you through like actually putting the dye on. I feel kind of weird about advising on that kind of thing because I'm not a hairdresser. By the way, before you do try any new hair product or hair dye, make sure you do your patch test. But anyway, so how I'm doing it anyway, if you are interested. So I do all of my roots first, like layer by layer, just be really, like make sure to do those bits really thoroughly. And now what I'm doing, I put all of my hair over one shoulder and I'm bringing just like section by section over and just like smoothing the dye through it like that. Does the job. And I'm not really being that like thorough when putting the dye on the very ends of my hair, because those are like the driest parts, and I wouldn't actually, I don't know, I kind of like the idea of the ends kind of being a bit lighter. Alright guys, so I'm pretty happy with yeah, that I've covered all of my hair, so I'm gonna leave this on for 30 minutes and wash it off. So yeah, I'll see you when I've washed it off. So I've just washed it out and I'm really quite excited about this. I mean, it looks really purple, but I think it's gonna dry a really nice colour, but yeah, we'll see how it does. But I'm really happy about it so far. I use like the entire tube of conditioner that they give you with the box, and that just felt really good on my hair. I'll let this dry and I'll show you the final results in the morning when I've got the natural light back. So this is it. This is how it has turned out. So let's not pretend that it is 100% silver, because it's just not. It's purple. But I have to say that I am loving this colour. I think it is absolutely beautiful. So this is the box, and to be honest, that does actually match. That does actually kind of look exactly like what I've got. So yeah, I'm not sure what it's looking like on camera, if you guys like, if it looks really silver to you, but you know, in my mirror it looks kind of, I don't know, it looks quite purple to me, but I really don't mind, to be honest. I'm just really glad that it's given me more of a purple finish rather than a bluey green like the other one I tried as I was talking about. So overall I am really happy with Garnier's Olia in Metallic Silver. But let me know what you guys think. I'm very interested to, you know, get your opinion. What colour is it looking like to you? And also let me know if you've tried it and what kind of results you've got. But overall, I would try this again. I do see myself maybe purchasing this again to touch up my roots or something like that. And yeah, my hair doesn't feel like too dry or damaged from it. Yeah, I don't really have much more to say about it. I'm just, yeah, definitely a positive experience, and I would recommend this. Yeah, just take note that it does sort of come across quite purple, but I actually think that in 1 or 2 washes it'll actually probably fade out a bit and maybe go a bit more grey. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, guys, and found it useful. If you were thinking about purchasing that hair dye, I know that I find these kinds of videos really useful, so I hope that this was yeah, helpful to you. And hopefully I will be making more videos more frequently now. I just need to sort of get back into some sort of routine, fitting it in with work and stuff. But yeah, I really enjoyed making this, and yeah, I'm excited to be back. Hope you all have a lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video.